So I have this old dresser that I am trying to redo. It's pretty beat up. You can tell it's really old. I first started to take off some of the knobs because we are going to be spray painting these. So I am going to first take off the knobs and go from there. We are going to use this Waverly chalk paint. This is plaster. The color is plaster. It's like an off-white. I love this Waverly. I would 100% always recommend the Waverly and just a paintbrush. And we are just going to make sure it's dusted, which I did dust it already. Open the cap. And to create this awesome effect, we are just going to kind of sloppily brush it however. So go ahead and this has like a veneer on it, which I thought wasn't going to work well, but I did one of these upstairs and it turns out amazing, like an antique looking type dresser. So just go ahead and paint that on. So here's a video after one coat, and it definitely doesn't look great because you can still see the brown and things. So we are going to go over it with a second coat. So you can see here I did this side, but I did not do this side yet. So that side's going to need a second coat. But I just wanted to show you kind of the difference here. All right, we are getting there. This is about halfway through. So now that this whole dresser is painted, we are going to give it a really neat distressed look. We're going to take a piece of sandpaper and just kind of lightly sand. Next, we're going to go ahead and put some of this wax over it. Again, I use the Waverly wax. Works super good, and that's just going to seal it and make it feel smoothie instead of chalky. And the dresser is done, and everything looks great on it. I love how it turned out.